Alright guys, so boss kit's turned up. It's old, but it'll do. And there's the wheel that's going on. Momo's Prototipio. Something like that. Prototipo. I don't talk Italian. And what's coming off is this wheel is a M-Tech 2. It is a desirable steering wheel, and it will be for sale once the Momo goes on. I don't mind it, but it's not a Momo. It's in decent condition, a little bit, original. Anyway, so yeah, before I started though, always check your wheel straight. That way, you don't get confused and put your steering wheel on upside down. And I've also checked that all the threads are good, obviously being secondhand. Went through my parts bin, got another, that's the little wire that goes through from the contact on the back there for the horn. All right, so I had to put one of those on. I had one of those in my stash. The other thing that I needed to find too is this little retainer here. That's what holds the horn button in properly. It doesn't stay on the wheel without these plates, and I had one of those in my stash as well. All right, so now I'll Google how to remove this steering wheel, because I'd really want to be careful and not stuff it up. And then I'll probably have to use a puller to get the steering wheel off. Anyway, we'll get to that in a minute. All right, so it turns out you just pry the old badge out, and then you've got a big socket in the middle there. Rip that out. Easy. All right, so you can see the splines here. You got to make sure they are correct. Then you got this little lug there. That's going to be hitting here for the blinkers, see? So it's important that this goes on the right way. If you have a look, there's a little arrow right there in the middle. That gets us the chance to line it up bang in the middle. But if the steering wheel is slightly off before, it's a fine spline, so you could adjust for that if you had to. Now, I'll throw this on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, she's on. It looks good, feels good. And there's a lot of fake Momo ones out there. I bought this off a guy I know, and I went and picked it up from his house that's probably worth $10 million, and it came off his Porsche that he swapped it for a silver spoked one of these. So I know it was real, but if you don't, just feel them, give them a twist, and you can tell a real one from a fake one of these. Although they do look good, the fake ones, they're doing pretty good at making them look, the best they can, but they always still feel flimsy. So yeah, that's a good improvement. Love it. And yeah, if you need an M-Tech 2 steering wheel, it's going to be for sale. Check it out. All right, thanks guys.